Well, job growth in Colorado is strong, but our inflation is still higher than the national average. And those are just two of the key things we learned today in the latest economic indicators report.
Our Rob Harris shares the main takeaways from the report and what experts think the signal is for the months ahead.
So glad to be at CU.
The Colorado Secretary of State's office and the CU Lead School of Business have released their 2023 third quarter business and economic indicators report. It's sort of like a midterm check on our grades when it comes to the economy. And like with most economic reports in recent years, there's some good news in here and there's some not so good news. So, takeaway one, the job market is still very strong, especially in Colorado. Right now, for every Coloradan looking for a job, there are 1.9 job openings.
Colorado's labor force participation ranked fourth highest in the nation in August and grew 2% year over year.
But here's the flip side. Most of our job growth has been among lower wage jobs, which leads into takeaway two, inflation. It's still coming down. Nationally, it was below 4% for 4 consecutive months as of September. But that's still higher than the Federal Reserve's goal inflation rate of 2%. And Colorado's inflation rate is even higher than the national average. Inflation for the Denver area was at 5.4% in September of this year, down from 7.7% in September of last year.
Small business people feel really pessimistic. Our business leaders feel pretty pessimistic.
Those higher prices are hitting people and causing them to have lower confidence in the economy. And that leads to takeaway three. There have been headlines for a while now predicting a recession. And experts at CU say many analysts are still predicting a recession in 2024. But when many of us hear the word recession, our minds go to the Great Recession of 2008. And the experts at CU say the key difference to remember is that that recession impacted our big banks, which made the economic downturn catastrophic. Whereas right now, our major banks look to be in a very strong position.
It's really looking like a slow growth economy in 2024, and that certainly doesn't look like a disastrous economy in 2024.
For Denver 7, I'm Rob Harris.
And going in depth, Colorado's job market is so strong, specifically in major tech industries, that the federal government has designated the state as one of 20 federal tech hubs. That's specifically because of our state's quantum industry. Quantum is an industry based on using quantum physics to take computers to the next level. This designation will bring more investments and federal funding to our state. The government will give Colorado $500 million in the first round of funding.